Hi everyone, my name is Roxy. Nice to watch my videos. We rarely see Chinese solder printers. How about Chinese printers? I can tell you responsibly that 96% of Chinese companies now use solder printers made in China. The performance is very powerful. Automatic cleaning, automatic solder paste, addition, automatic dispensing, heat parts detection, solder paste, data feedback, etc. There is no problem with the 0201 chip solder paste. Printing accuracy 大于等于2 CP cat 23微米 at 6 sigma. Repeated positioning accuracy 大于等于2 CP cat 10微米 at 6 sigma. Cycle time 7 seconds. Substrate handling size maximum 400毫米 XX 340 mm. Mobile phones, tablets, computers, LEDs, servers, controllers, Bluetooth headsets and other products can be satisfied. Compared with solder printers in other countries, the price-performance ratio is very high. Solder printer, the maximum length can support 1.5 meters of light bulb products. This is a solder paste inspection machine in China, which inspects all the solder paste on the PCB. Chinese companies choose machines, only pick and place machines, use those from other countries, and other machines are made in China. Printers, SPI, reflow soldering, OE, X-ray, splitter, etc. are all made in China. Friends who are interested in Chinese printers, contact me. The price is very affordable. Our machines are guaranteed for 1,000 years without any problems. Contact number +8618975433541 WhatsApp, Zalo, Skype, Telegram, WeChat. Email. Thank you for watching my video. I hope dear friends support me. Give me a thumbs up. See you later.